All right, Cam, thank you. This has been an incredibly difficult week for many people in the Madison community. The school shooting that rocked our community will leave a lasting impact.
Yeah, and part of that healing process is helping our kids through it. Joining us now is UW Health distinguished psychologist Dr. Shilagh Mirgain with some advice on how to talk to our kids about the shooting. This is such a tough topic to address. This is a question that I had when this happened. I have a 6-year-old and a 3-year-old. What's an appropriate age to have this discussion?
Yeah, the shock waves are felt throughout our entire community, and I always say kids should hear it from you, not from classmates. So if your children are in school, you probably want to sit down and say, what have you heard? If you haven't heard anything, you might not address it, like a 3-year-old might not hear much, but certainly by 4 or 5 or 6, ask them, give them space to talk about what they heard, as well as just process any emotions. And I always say it's better to hear from you and use age-appropriate language.
Good advice.
And I mean, this is something a lot of kids will probably have questions about and have a lot of big feelings about it.
Yeah, and you want to monitor for changes in mood, behavior, their play, or even physical symptoms. So are they more irritable or withdrawn, or maybe they're acting out, or maybe they're regressing, young children, to bedwetting or thumb sucking or having stomach aches, and create some space just to normalize what they're feeling. This is really hard, and I think it's an opportunity to come in and provide reassurance.
And for the older children, social media, there's so much out there, so we should really just limit their time on that.
Absolutely. Instead, have them not on social media, but this is a great time to come back to consistency, family routines. It's the holidays, planning things that are joyful, and limiting that time on screens. And they don't have to hear all of that from devices at this time.
Yeah, it's also important to remind kids about the safety measures that are in place in the places where they commonly are.
Absolutely. We have to monitor and process our own reactions so we can come in with calm. And this is the top tip, is safety, safety, safety. You're keeping them safe, and remind them of all the people who are keeping them safe. Schools, police officers, even the K-9 dogs are involved. And I think when you come in with that sense of safety, you might even remind them of the school plan and even your plan as a family. It's a great time to reiterate that so they know what to do.
And we only have a few seconds left, but we also have to be mindful of our response to this.
Yeah, get the support we need, talk to others, and know we're not alone. We're coming together, healing as a community.
Such important conversations to have. Shilagh, always great to have you. Thank you.
Thank you.